Okay. Hey, so I just wanted to quickly show off this bot flow here. Basically, the use case is they wanted to kind of change the look of a template that they're using for within a workflow in a generate document action. They didn't want to really maintain, multiple templates because the content's going to be exactly the same. They just want to change the look here. So what I did was um, put together this bot flow. It's pretty simple. You can see it's only a few steps, but what it's done, or what I've done is, so we've got the template, and we're just taking advantage of this themes section under the design tab in Word here. All right, so we've got all these cool, different colors and different fonts and things like that. So we got this title page here that changes with the theme. Some of these headers and um, these different styles for the fonts and stuff. So just really simple layout just to demonstrate things. But if I come here, so it defaults to this office theme. Maybe I want to choose the badge theme, so we get this nice yellow look. Different font sizes, font colors, font styles, bolding and things like that. And even just a straight up different font altogether. So this theme setting really controls a lot here. So in the bot flow, first of course we're going to open that template. Then I've just got a list of all the different keystrokes that need to be taken to kind of navigate through. We're using the accelerator keys that are built into Word. So basically just sending an Alt key will pop up all of these little prompts here. So Alt G will take us to the Design tab. TH will pop out that Themes menu. And then just using the arrow keys to navigate around to choose the correct theme. And then pressing Enter to actually select it. And then, of course, saving the document, closing it out, and sending it back to the workflow to be utilized in the rest of the process there. So I've got this really, really simple workflow, again, just to demonstrate, but the form input is just a drop down here. I didn't put all the themes in here, but there's quite a few of them. I was basically just asking the user what theme they want to use for the document that they generate. Again, it kept it really simple. This might not, you're gonna have a lot more in a real form in reality. I also took it a little bit more interesting. I have these groups with the labels in there that I'm showing and hiding just to show, give the user a little preview, maybe of like the primary color and the secondary color on that theme. It does take a little bit of setup in the rules here. So I only did it for the office and facet theme, right? But basically saying if that value equals office, then show the two groups and change the group's background color. Same with the facet. And if it's not one of those two, then just hide it all together. All right, so just adding a little flavor in there. And basically after the user fills out that form, it's going to kick off that bot flow. It's going to wait for a minute or so for the template to kind of update and sync with the OneDrive cloud. And it's actually just going to generate that document. So what we can do, let me just fill out this form real quick. Let me just close everything, make sure it's all good. Here, okay. And then let's fill the form out. Again, form very simple, but let me just choose WISP. All right, I have no idea what this one looks like, but click Submit. Form was submitted, so this should pop up here pretty quickly. It's going through Nintex Workflow Cloud, through the Nintex Gateway. It's coming down to my instance of Nintex RPA Central. And then RPA Central will start the Nintex RPA bot flow. Bot flow then will do everything that I just talked about. So it's going to open the Word template. It will get that input variable, determine what theme the user picked, Of course, we picked Wisp here, changes that color, saves it, and then closes everything out. All right. And then now it's just going to take a minute for the workflows to actually generate this document, but just to look at a few of them here. So this one was the Ion theme. So we've got the nice colors, different font styles again, integral, and these are just some that I did for testing. All right. And of course, I didn't put any document tags or anything in here, and don't forget to do that. But just to show you an example there of how we can use Nintex RPA in conjunction with Nintex Workflow Cloud to change the themes however you need to.